Hey everyone, Capital here, and today we will be playing Will You Press the Button. Now, I don't really have anything to do with it, like the Bean Boozled challenge or whatever, so every time I get one that isn't in the majority, I'm just going to slap myself. Not really hard, but enough so I can actually feel it, though. Okay, so, yeah, don't worry, this won't hurt, hopefully. Yeah, and if something does hurt me, obviously I'm not gonna be posting it on, YouTube, so yeah. Before we get started, a quick shout out to, War Syndicate, who gave me the idea of getting this program I'm using, OBS, and which is allowing me to do proper recordings. So let's just move this down here and let's get started, shall we? Okay. Will you press the button? Okay. You can spend 5 days with anyone of your choice, but you have to stay in your hometown. I reckon, yeah, I would, but would others? Yes? Oh, what? Nearly skipped that. 83% of people have pressed the button. Yeah, good. Okay, so I don't have to... Okay, moving on. How do I... like... Okay, sorry, I've never used this, so, like, is there a... red... Okay, yeah, no, that one wasn't really hard. You get to name the next big thing in planet, state, country, star, news, search engine, etc. But some random comedian becomes amazingly famous for mocking this new name somehow. Oh no, oh, I feel like this is gonna be a both way thing. Yes, let's press it. Oh my god, thank god. 66% of people agreed. Okay, yeah. That one was a good one, I have to admit. That was a good one. Yep. So, yeah. You can edit the past to make yourself a founding member of any band you choose. But you have to be the bassist, the one everyone forgets. I don't really like music, so I'm just going on what I think others will pick. I'll go will not. Oh, thank god. 58%. Okay, yep, good. Okay. For one day, anything you do is legal. But so is anything your enemy does. Who wouldn't press that? Come on, who wouldn't press that? See? I think I'm really good at this, actually. Even though this is my first time playing. So yeah, no. That one was easy. I mean, I know everyone would do that. I mean, you can just kill your enemy and problem solved. Woohoo! You will restart humanity back in time to its golden age and get to decide its progress from there. But once you become to the... I messed that sentence up so bad. Once you come to the point where you press the button, and the apocalypse will come. What? Once you come to the point where you press the button, the apocalypse will come. I really don't understand that, so this is just going to be a wild guess, will not. Oh, okay. Here we go, guys. That one was decent, but I wouldn't... Yeah, but I wouldn't say that one was a really good hit. Yeah. So we'll go... That one is good. Yeah, because... my first slap. You become the best cook in the world, but you can't eat any of your food that you've cooked. Sure. 57. Good. I'm like in between. It's not good or bad, so I'll just give it bad. All population on Earth disappears, but you have a belly button that sticks 3 inches at what? All pollution on Earth. What? So we'll not. I don't know. Oh, 50-50. What should I do for a 50-50 thing? I don't know. Maybe I could. I'll try and make a funny face. No, I'm really bad at that. Never mind. I will decide next video. So moving on. Whatever. Oh no. Okay. Sorry, no. Not. Okay. Yeah, I know that the thing is pressed, but yeah. People will compliment you a lot more, but people talk behind your back. I would, guys. Please believe me when I say this. I would not push that button. Trust me. So I'm just gonna, yeah. Trust me, I would not. Okay. You require any DVDs you ever wanted, even before they came out. They each have one part where they skip as if the DVD had a scratch. Yeah, I would. I'd be what? 58 did not push the button. That is crap. As if, like, what if the movie, like, what if the movie has like a long talking bit in it that is boring, and then like it just skips over that? Like, honestly, come on. There we go. Now, moving on. Okay, you get a magical pet sloth who follows you around and offering dry, witty commentary about things that happen. But you can only drink whiskey. I'm honestly, I'm a kid, so I can't really. What if I'm a kid? Then really I just get that. Oh damn, lucky I didn't. Well, I mean, lucky I did. Yeah, anyways. Your waifu becomes... But whenever you see her, you transform into a 3-story dragon locked in your current emotion at the time you 11. Oh my god, that's a hard one. I will not. No, I mean will. Okay, guys. Now I changed my mind and said I will. Okay. Even though I pressed it, okay? In that situation, if I change my mind, although I've clicked it, but I haven't seen the percentage or anything, that will count, okay? Yeah. I might end up here, or we might actually... We might do a reaction now. No. The reaction part didn't quite. Oh yeah, that's right. It takes forever. Oh god. No, I'm just gonna end it there. I didn't know what to upload today, so I just uploaded this for a little fun. Oh, hang on. Henry asked something. Maybe. I don't know. What will I react to? How about we react to another ERB? Let's react to... Hang on. They all... react to this one. What do you say?
David Copperfield! What's up?
You've never seen a body quite the same as that of Houdini. Slippery like linguine, sneaking out of teeny weeny little spaces small enough to fit your talent, David. You're not a Charlie David. Your biggest endowment, your bank account balances, baby. Abracadabra, you billowy bitch. Man, you look like a pirate on the Las Vegas Strip. I'm swallowing needles and spitting out evil. You couldn't escape from a black paper bag. I'm batter with patter and matter of fact. You can't match on my skill if you saw me in half.
When I was a child, you were a god to me. I had to do what you do. Now, you're like a Chinese wall to me. Bitch, I'll walk right through you. This ain't the magic that you used to. I float a rose, hands free like it's Bluetooth. My grand illusions make your power tricks irrelevant. The foot of Lady Liberty is stomping under elephant. You fail at making movies and you fail at making keys. You stick to what you're good at and lock them in. Oh, here's a tidbit that might drive you nuts. I bought half your shit and I keep it locked up. Got the sudden fingers that will make the fight. You're a chunky stunt man, dressed in tight. You talk shit about your hero. That ain't right, but you can look up to me now. I know you like
Now you're a hack of a bum, saggedy act is embarrassing. You're the saddest thing to happen to magic since the gallery. Hang on by my ankles on my crane, I dangle. I got blocks on my bagel that you couldn't handle. Smash your mirrors if you're 5 minutes tangle. You can't hide shame with a camera angle.
Did somebody say angel?
No.
See what they be watching if it wasn't for me. I remind the world of magic is supposed to make you happy. While you waste time proving everybody wrong, I'm backstage getting my supermodel groove on. You should relax, take a private trip to my private island, suck my private dick. I'll summon up a little Halloween brunch, deep fried suck off the side of punch.
Okay, guys. I think Harry Houdini won that. Like his second verse, that's what did it for me. Yeah. So guys. This was fun. Now it was capital here, as you know, and so like, subscribe, and hang on, bring my camera. Yep. And subscribe. Wait, no, said that again. You messed up my intro. Mike. Oh my god. I that deserves a slap. Okay. So it was capital here, obviously, and like, subscribe, comment if you want, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.